10:15 a.m. and we are on the MNQ. Let's go over to today's date. Where's everything? Let me refresh my page. Okay. All right, here we go. So my account balance right now is 50,481. The goal is 53,000. The past evaluation. So we're going to go to today's date. There we go. Get rid of this old entry, old entries. And we're on the MNQ. We're gonna go to Forex Factory first. Forex Factory for the 17th. Oh, a lot going on today. Some reds too. Oh, here we go. FOMC. So every time we check, this is mainly what we're looking for. So that lets me know today is not a great trading day. Also, Trump is speaking at 9:30, right when the market opens. So yeah. So today, today I'm still gonna see if I can get some trades in, but I'm going to be super like easy on the number of contracts because it's a lot going on today that may cause the market to go kind of crazy. Okay, that's good to know. So I had it set at 1 because yesterday after I took like my main trades, I did like some smaller stuff for only one contract because I was playing around. So I think today maybe I'll just do like 4 or 5 contracts, something like that. But I'm gonna be super cautious with what I'm doing. All right, so let's start off on the daily time frame. Looks like we're still kind of bullish. Previous day high, we can mark out right there. It also shows as the London high, but we can mark it out as previous day as well. Previous day low, that can get marked out also. For our time frame, looking for any internal key levels. We have one right there. This can possibly be one, but I think, let me see, what time was that? 6 o'clock, and this is 4 hours. So we're still kind of in this one, so I'm not going to mark it out yet. That's one, but it's already marked. So I think everything is marked already. Dropping down to the 1 hour. Delete this old entry from yesterday. Why am I not seeing my another old entry? Where are my things? Let me see. I'm looking for my. Okay, there we go. My sessions. They were hidden. All right. So yesterday's. All right. So yesterday's Asia. That's already marked out. Okay. That's yesterday's low. Is that yesterday's low? No, that's today's low. Okay. But it's the same as yesterday's low, so I don't need to mark it out. Asia high was already taken out. London low was already taken out. That one. New York was taken out. Here, opening Asia again, both taken out. Oh, that's the previous day. This is from yesterday. Okay. Both days were taken out. Those were taken out. Here, we can mark that New York high from yesterday. Right here. London was taken out. New York low is already marked. Asia high, we can mark that because that looks just like this London. We could just mark the London high because the Asian one was slightly taken out by that London. Not by too much, but a little bit. We can just mark the London one. Asia low we can mark. And this London low that we're currently in. right, now dropping down to the 30-minute, looking for any internal key levels. I don't really see any. This could be one right here. I can mark that. Just change that to blue so I know exactly why I put it there. And that looks like it, going down to the 5-minute now, looking for some potential entries. As we remember, bearish fair value gaps go short, bullish fair value gaps go, no, bearish fair value gaps go long, bullish fair value gaps go short. So here we have a bearish, so we're gonna look for a long. My son is trying to convince me to do bigger stop losses. I don't know. I think it's because that's the way I learned it, so I'm trying to stick with that. And I always want a 1-to-2 ratio, but he was like, because I'm trying to pass evaluation, I should go longer, wider with my stop loss and the highest number of contracts to just bang it out so that I can get into the real trading. I don't know. Well, definitely not today. I don't think so, just because, like I said, today's not really a great trading day because of some things going on, like the president speaking and the FOMC meeting, but maybe tomorrow or something I'll do that. All right, so we have 2 potential longs that we can take, and I'll probably target this key level if I end up getting into that one. And as far as shorts, I have this one. Let's see if there's any others. This one. That's it. Alright, so 2 potential shorts, 2 potential longs. If any other fair value gaps are formed, then we can look to take entries off of those as well. Alright, so it's 9:22, market opens in 8 minutes, and we'll go from there. Okay, I got stopped out of that trade. That thing was only 3 contracts. I mean, still something, but so I lost $109. Damn. Oh, there must have been a lot of slippage because $109 off only 3 contracts is a lot. So I'm down at 50,371. Let's see if we get anything else. Okay, yeah. So I targeted these 2 candles next to each other. I don't know what this is called. I have to do some research as to what it's called when 2 candles are right next to each other like that. But anyway, so my total loss for today is $207. Not terrible, because I did know I shouldn't have been trading today. So this was kind of me just playing around, which you're not supposed to be playing around during any of your trading journey, especially evaluation, because you're supposed to be seeing the strategy. I don't know, but at least I know that I'm done for today and I'm not getting back in. So I take that as a win, because usually I like to keep playing around, but I'm gonna stop playing around for today and just take this L as for what it is and be done. So my new account balance $50,273. Bye. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.